6 months ago, it would have been hard for me to believe that I would have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube and how much fun I actually would be having. I wanted to make this video today actually to commemorate a couple things. First, 20,000 subscribers, which is thanks to all of you that are out there watching, and today being listed on YouTube's trending page as Creator on the Rise. So both these things I really wouldn't have believed. I've always been someone who loves taking old things and doing something different with them or giving them new life, like I say in my videos. I've always been kind of a frugal scouter type guy and enjoy creating, making, changing, doing different things and restoring things. I love stories. I love history behind different tools and bikes and all kinds of things. Canoes. The canoe didn't fit in the screen, so I didn't include it here. But I wanted to thank all of you for all the support that you've given me, for the fun that this has been, and I look forward to a lot more. We've been doing a lot of different restorations. I've gone from tools like this Estwing hatchet, which has given me the majority of my subscribers. Most of you have come to this because of this mirror polished Estwing hatchet with my cashmere scarf micarta handle, which is still super soft. And although some of you have told me I need to cover it in a clear coat of epoxy and bring out that nice green color, I still can't bring myself to do it because it feels so nice and soft. But I really love the support that I've received from all of you. Today's been an awesome day being on YouTube's trending page, and I wanted to just take this opportunity to thank you all and to introduce to a lot of you new subscribers to some of the stuff that you could go and see if you haven't already, or if you're brand new to the page, some of the stuff that I've made in the past and that you can go and watch on the channel. So let's get to that. So just as a little view, my shop area really is not very big, and sorry for the mess, but I really don't have a large portion of my garage dedicated to this YouTube thing. I have some lights, I have my sandblast cabinet, my air compressor, and a workbench. I also have a workbench on the other side of the garage. It's a one made from 2x4s that you saw in earlier videos. I moved over to here where I had a little more room and wanted something a little monochromatic that doesn't distract. So you can see here some of the stuff that I have, including the cashmere scarf, micarta Estwing hatchet, draw knife, this probably 250-year-old Ames masting or shipwright's axe, my scout axe, the Ford Ranger truck high rider with the custom stickers that I made. I should have actually shown you guys making those stickers in Photoshop, but I didn't. Plane, several axes, another 200-year-old hatchet, another copper-plated hatchet, cobbler's hammer, one of my favorites, actually probably a favorite video I've done so far that I did just last week, this Kona explosive mountain bike restoration. This was really fun. Welding on the disc brake mounts was awesome. So those are just some of the things that I have. I've been able to continue to do this. In fact, I was able to purchase the sandblaster and the air compressor, even the camera that I'm doing it on now, because my first videos were all done with my iPhone 6. And all because of you guys. And I wanted to thank you all for that. And there'll be more stuff. I've actually got several axe heads still to do that are waiting in queue. I've got actually 3 bikes in queue that I want to restore. I've got a couple other toy trucks and just a lot of stuff. Other tools, planes, hand planes, all kinds of things. It's a matter of finding and making time for all of this, which I've always loved to do. Doing it and sharing it with you guys has been a lot of fun, and the adventure and learning how to make some YouTube videos. For those of you that went all the way back to the beginning videos that I did back at the end of December and January this year, some of them were pretty special. I've been tempted to take them down, but I've left them up because they're part of my journey here. And actually, if you go watch some of those, you can see the big change in videos. In fact, even with the Cashmere Scarf Estwing hatchet, that one, as a lot of people commented, the audio was not as well balanced as it could have been. I've taken from those and tried to learn what I can to improve my video editing skills, all for you guys, to make this more enjoyable. And actually, as a new hobby, making videos has been really quite fun. So, thank you again for 20,000 subscribers and for making it so I could be highlighted as the creator on the rise for today. It's all because of you guys. So, continue, look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao. So cool. Good truck. I love this truck. I want to make my Tacoma look just like this thing. Well, I don't know. Maybe not the paint job. Maybe the paint job. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Restoring my Tacoma may be in the queue also. I have a 98 Toyota Tacoma that I want to restore. So, we'll see you later. Ciao.